Hey everyone, Mediumits here. It has been officially 1 month since I started making videos again, and I wanted to do a little bit of a recap video here just to talk about a couple of things. Tell you about what I've done, tell you some of the stats of what's happened so far, and a lot about what I've learned so far in the last 30 days. So long story short, I wanted to get back into making videos. One, videos are super popular right now. Content creation, things like YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Instagram Reels, all of those are very, very popular right now. But two, I've always loved making videos. If you scroll back far enough, my first videos on this channel were back in 2007. But I wanted to start trying to make videos again. I stopped a long time ago. Wish I would have kept making videos. Back here, trying to make some videos again, and it's been super fun the last month. So my goal this month has been to practice different things, basically. I wanted to practice coming up with different video types, different ideas, different styles, and I wanted to practice turning those ideas into real life, into actual videos. I wanted to practice filming, editing, and figuring out what posting best practices look like, how YouTube and all of the other social media websites work again. A lot has changed since I first posted videos years and years ago. So after making videos for 1 whole month now, here is what I have done. I have created and posted 10 separate videos. Some of them have been reviews, some of them have been recaps of my experiences. I made a top tips video. I made a video recipe for my creamy cheesy potatoes. I did a couple unboxing videos, and I made a breaking news technology type of video. So it's been a ton of different types of video, and for multiple reasons. I'm trying to figure out what I like to do. I'm trying to figure out what people want to see, what type of videos really do the best on my channel and on the different websites. So one really cool thing I can say that's come out of this is I've had practice with 2 different video editing software. I now know which one I like the best. I now know which one works maybe a little bit better for me in the videos that I'm making. I have recorded and edited with 4 different, completely different types of cameras, few different microphones, as you can see. This one here, this is the first time I've used this one. Multiple different lighting setups, multiple different stage areas, including something like this where I've got the green screen behind me in my office. It's been an experience. I've loved learning and playing with and trying all of these different things. It's been an experience, and honestly, I hope to talk about a lot more of it in other videos. The other thing that I've done, I have watched countless best practice videos, how-tos, equipment reviews, trying to figure out my equipment, trying to figure out what the best way to make videos, shoot videos, edit videos, and post. Just trying to figure everything out. So I feel like I've learned a lot in the last 30 days. All right, now on to the part where everybody's been waiting for. Here are the stats from my last 30 days. I have posted 10 videos, and out of those 10 videos, 5 of them were normal YouTube videos, just like you're watching now, horizontal format, long form type of videos. And 5 of those 10 were short form vertical videos. We're talking 2 minutes or less. Out of those 10 videos that I've posted in the last 30 days, I have, again, at the time of recording, 9,677 views over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. 9,677. Now listen to this. 9,204 of those views, which is 97% of the views, have come from the short form vertical videos. 97% of my views in the last 30 days have come from vertical videos. Now, to be fair, when you look at content that's being published just to YouTube, the horizontal videos have only been going on one platform. They've been going on YouTube, and YouTube is my probably least followed at least subscribe to account. I do have officially, as of today, as of recording, 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It really makes me feel like doing some of this stuff is matters and helping, and hopefully people are getting a little bit of enjoyment out of it. All right, so to be fair, I have only been posting the horizontal videos on one platform where I only have 100 subscribers. But to be fair, on the other side, that number is definitely not in proportion to the amount of followers and subscribers I have on the other accounts. Those 97% of views, I still only have 300 something followers on Instagram. And honestly, I think less than 20 people right now on TikTok. The views are coming a lot more on the shorter form vertical videos at the moment. Not to say that horizontal videos are completely out. I'm obviously still making them, making one right here. But there will definitely, I think, going forward, once we get down to the goals section, there is going to definitely be a focus on vertical short form videos coming soon. Just a couple more stats. I did gain about 8 YouTube followers, 1 TikTok follower, 1 Instagram follower, and about 10 Twitter followers. I got about 128 likes on all of those videos across all platforms. And I want to also say, I don't think that many of those followers, I know that it was, less than about 20 followers total on all platforms over the last month. And I honestly don't know how many of them were actual new people coming from these platforms. These were a lot of people that I would post a video on Twitter, and one of my mutuals that, it was one of those where, oh, I thought I was already following you. I thought I was already subscribed to you on YouTube. Well, I'll definitely subscribe now. So I think a lot of those people are already people I know, people I've talked to that are finally getting around to subscribing. So here's a little bit about what I've learned over the past 30 days. Number one, being a content creator, being a YouTuber, streamer, Twitch, if you're working for yourself, if you are doing all of this by yourself, it is not just one job. This is not just, being a content creator and they're, creating content. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes. A couple of things. You have to be your own tech. I purchased this microphone. I had to plug it into a soundboard. I had to plug that soundboard into my computer, and I had to make it work and record on my computer. There were issues. There were things happening. There were things going wrong. I had to fix all of it myself. I don't have the money. I don't have the resources to hire somebody to do that yet. Definitely the more successful YouTubers, Twitch streamers, content creators are definitely doing that. They are hiring teams of people to do that. When you're starting out, it is you. You will definitely be able to find people that are willing to help. When you're starting out, it's you. It's only you. So you need to be able to be your own tech. You need to figure this stuff out, and you need to be able to make it work for yourself. Nobody else is going to be able to do that for you. Another job that you need to do as a content creator is you need to be a community manager. You need to manage all of the social media accounts. You need to figure out how all of that works. Once I create this video, I need to upload it to YouTube. I need to figure out what the best way to get people to find that video is. I need to work with Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and all of these other social media sites, and I need to make sure that my video is presented the best on all of these. To really get the best value out of all of these social networks, you need to be researching the algorithms, when the best times to post are, when your audience is watching, how often you should be posting, and you need to be able to manage these accounts and these websites. And I think especially for Twitch streamers, having things like a Discord server is really popular right now. You need to be able to have conversations with people, find those super fans of yours that are in your community now, and you need to be able to talk to them. You need to be able to socialize with them and be able to get them to come and view your content again. If you didn't have enough jobs already, as a content creator, you're also the script writer. You're also the actor. You're also the director. I wrote the script in this outline that I'm reading off of my computer right now. I am the actor sitting behind the camera that has to have my facial expressions, my hand gestures, And I need to be able to present my content the way that I want it to be presented. And I also need to be the director and producer. I need to be able to figure out which clips come in which order I want them to be in. I need to figure out the right music. I need to figure out the right graphics that go along with it. And then I need to be able to put it all together in a video editing software. So being a content creator, especially when you're starting by yourself, you are by yourself. So know that going in, that unless you're willing to commit to all of these different jobs, you might not want to be a content creator. The second thing that I learned is that it's not all about the equipment. The important part is to start with what you've got and you can grow from there. But to be completely honest, your smartphone probably has a good enough camera to be able to start filming and recording. Again, the farther you grow, the bigger you scale up to be, the better equipment you can find. But again, the important part is to start with what you've got. I've only been doing this consistently now for about 30 days. And the longer I go, I'm still not sure if I'm going to continue making videos. I definitely have some goals I've set for this coming month. And I'd like to continue doing it, but we'll see. I'm not ready to invest, $1,000 into a brand new DSLR yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep doing this. We'll see. If you do want me to continue doing it, though, definitely hit the like button, hit subscribe. That helps me out. Follow for more, and I will definitely post more. Second, about that, depending on the type of content that you want to create, if you only want to create content for Instagram or for YouTube Shorts or for TikTok, which again, I think are very, very discoverable and very popular right now. It's a good idea to be in on those. All you really need is your phone. Maybe you could pick up an extra $30 external microphone to make it sound a little bit better, but that's really about all you need at this point to get started. All right, so that's a little bit about where I've been. Here are a couple of my goals for the coming month. Number one, I want to create even more types of content. You're probably going to see a lot of the same type of content because I started with the ideas that I like the most, that I thought were going to work the best. So you'll probably see a lot of the same type of stuff. So if you do like what you've seen, whether it's smartphone or technology reviews, types of content specifically for content creators, for YouTubers, Twitch streamers, game streamers, that type of stuff, hopefully there's a lot more of that. I also definitely on the top of my list of next types of videos to create, I want to do some interviews. I want to talk to people. I want to do some collaborative type of content. So definitely look for that coming very soon. The other big goal that I have over 10,000 views on my content in the last 30 days. I feel like that number is well above and beyond what I could have hoped for in these first 30 days. The thing that I want to research, figure out, and start working on is how to gain followers and how to keep those followers. When I look at the views on my videos, I want the views to be a lot of returning views. The people that have viewed my content and actually followed me, I want them to come back and continue viewing my content. I feel like that does a few things. It keeps those loyal fans even more loyal. The more people come back and continue watching your content, I feel like that's really a measure of the quality of your content. If people see your stuff and they come back and continue watching, that to me tells me that they think that you're making good enough quality to come back and watch more of it. So those are my two goals for this next month. If you have any ideas for those goals, I'd love to hear them. Comment below. And if you'd like to work on some content together, let me know. Send me a message on any of my socials. They're all listed in the description, and I would love to chat. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, follow down below. Follow me on my other socials, and we will see you next time.